Hi, I'm Tracy at Ayrshire Food Hub. I've got some jobs to do in November. Simply let your peas and beans mature to as large a size as possible. You can let them dry on the plant or snip them to bring them inside. Leave them on the windowsill to dry off somewhere it's frost free and gets plenty of air about it so they don't get a bit mouldy. After a couple of weeks of drying off, just put into an airtight container, ready for spring sowing next year. It's a great time to give everything in the garden a bit of a tidy just to keep things healthy. If you've got a greenhouse, it's a good idea to give everything a wipe down. This will help let more light in. It's a good idea to tidy up all of the random things that you've got lying about, pots that you never quite get around to, and find slugs hiding in them. Also pick up any fusty bits of plant lying around or any fusty branches. If you haven't pruned your raspberries earlier in the year, you can still do it now. You're looking to remove last year's growth, which should have more, highly technical term, of branchy bits on the side. Yeah, and you're just cutting them right down at the ground. It's really easy. But that's the method for pruning summer fruiting raspberries. If you've got autumn fruiting raspberries, it's really easy to prune them. You just chop everything down. With all the leaves falling at this time, it's a great idea to collect them and make some leaf mulch. So just gather all your leaves up, I like to put it in a bag and just let it rot down for the next year or two. It's really easy to make, it's free, and you're going to get some really nice compost at the end of it. These are just some of the things you can do to keep on top of your growing this November.